think something just arrived. Let's check it out, see what it is. Yeah, I thought I heard something. Somebody knocked on my door. It's Freshly. Look at that, this thing's pretty heavy. I'm fresh and refrigerated. Refrigerate fully cooked meals upon arrival. All right, we're gonna stick this thing in the fridge, and then when I get back, we'll open them up and see what I got. So I took everything out of the box. This box came all cold and refrigerated and packed up, and I just took them and I put them in my fridge. So why don't you take a look at these? Let me pull these out and I'll show you what I got. You get 7 meals. Whoa, look at that. 7 meals that you can pick. I wanted to try some different things because they have a pretty big selection. I got the zingy buffalo chicken, cauliflower shell, beef bolognese. Then I have the masterful mash with potato and cauliflower chives. Sounds yummy. And then I got the oven glazed chicken marsala with cauliflower mash, lemon, pepper, broccoli. Look at that. And then the last one, which I'm really excited for, is the steak peppercorn with sauteed carrots and French green beans. I think these are all gonna be good. The cool thing is about all of these as well is they are gluten-free. So if you're gluten sensitive, these are gluten-free meals. And I'm pretty sure all of them are gluten-free. So this is something you should definitely take a look at if you're gluten-free. I'm gonna go ahead and heat one of these up and give you the verdict, and I'll keep you in the loop as I go through the week and let you know how each of these meals is, what I loved and what I didn't love. If you're wanting to try out Freshly, I'm not paid, I'm not compensated in any way, but I think this could be a really great opportunity for fellow creatives like you and I. How can I do just regular Frank's Red Hot when I have buffalo sauce right here? It's a buffalo chicken. So we're gonna play it safe. We're gonna go with a buffalo sauce so I don't throw off the whole meal, and we'll check it out and see how good it is by itself, and then we'll add some of the Frank's Red Hot. All right, so it just finished cooking. Now we're gonna peel this film back. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That's got a pretty good amount of sauce on there already. I'm probably gonna take a little bite of that little corner piece because it'll be the most cooked once it's cooled down a little bit, but we're gonna plate this real quick and then we're gonna add some more sauce to it after I take my first bite. All right, here we go. So we got this nice shot here. This is what we're gonna add to the meal. Now I'm gonna take one bite of this first, just to see how the standard buffalo sauce is. It's good. Kind of a thick sauce. It's not that spicy. It's very mild. On a 1 to a 10, not that I've ever had a 10 because I don't like spice that much, I'd give it probably like a 3 or a 4. So it's pretty mild. Turn this around. So what I'm gonna do is I made a little spinach salad here with some Parmesan on top and some tortilla chips. They're blue corn tortilla chips, just to add a little crunch, because what good would it be without the crunch? So we're just gonna add a little bit more sauce onto the top of this. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay, not a little. Now I need to add another special ingredient, which happens to be a family recipe. Yes, a family recipe. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about, which is the one and only Sweet Sunny's Fire Cider. It can be used as a dressing, a marinade, fire. If you guys haven't ever tried this, you definitely gotta check it out. I even got a picture of my cute little daughter on the back. Look at that. How cute is that? It's got a little story. This is a product, handmade product by my wife. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and bite into these potatoes first with the bacon on them. For microwave potatoes, I have to say those are very good. You can tell that they're microwave potatoes because they're not like fresh homemade potatoes. Nothing's gonna be like that, but this I'm very happy with. Take some more bites of this chicken now that I got Frank's Red Hot on here. Tell you how the chicken is. Probably dying to know. Okay, it's juicy. It's got good flavor. It doesn't taste like it was microwaved. Very juicy, very easy to eat. This is impressive for a microwave meal, I gotta say. Just had the last bite of that chicken, and straight up, I could eat a whole nother one of those chickens. I could easily eat 2 of these meals. And that's probably more than I need. Maybe not, maybe I need to eat a little more. But I could definitely say at least 2 of these chicken patties in one meal, like a double size. I'd be all over that. That chicken's super good. It only cooked in 3 minutes. I was able to add some of my own favorite sauce to it, spice it up, kick it up a notch. I'm super happy. All right, so I'm about to check out my next meal. So far, I've done the zingy buffalo, and that was absolutely game-changing and delicious. And then last night, I had the chicken marsala, and that was bomb. Now it's time to check out the grilled chicken piccata with garlic, sauteed spinach, and yellow squash. So I've been eating these Freshly meals now for a couple weeks, and I have to say, I am beyond impressed. The amount of time that it saved me, effort that it saved me, and the amount of money that it saved me has been absolutely game-changing. So I'm gonna eat one more meal, and I just wanna let you know, if you wanna take advantage of this, if you're a busy creative, you're running a business, you're a dad, you're a parent, make your life simple and get yourself Freshly. I'm gonna put a link down in the description that's gonna be super cool for you. You get $90 off the next few orders of your meals, and you can get whatever meals you want. I'm changing up my menu every single week. You gotta download the app as well, which is really neat. But if I were you and I was a creative and I had a hard time keeping up with my meals on a daily basis, check out Freshly. It's worth every single penny, and I promise it doesn't taste like microwaved food. It tastes like really good home-cooked meals, and I really enjoy it. So check it out. Let me know what you think. If you've already had Freshly, drop a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. And if this video is helpful for you, if you've been looking for a solution and you think you found it, let me know. Thank you guys so much. I'm Adrian Boycell, and as always, keep looking up.